Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset or factory reset HP Inktank 319 printer or any HP Inktank 58105820 series 419 series printer. So let's start. You have to push the power button and black button and the cancel button simultaneously and make the power on, and it is on factory settings, and the printer is in normal mode after factory settings.